Yo, what's up guys? I'm back in another Pet Simulator video. Today I'm going to be opening a bunch of the new tech eggs, golden, and yeah, let's just get right into it. We go teleport to the tech world. Now I need to put on my boost. And let's get straight into it. Hopefully I get a mythic. I did last time, so hopefully I do this time. Happy computer. Good. The reason it's like it's more rare to get a legendary than a mythical. I don't know why, it's so weird. Not going so well. Once I get to around like probably like 15, 20, 15 million around there, I'm opening normal eggs. I haven't got anything too good besides like a couple of computers. I'm already down to 77 million. Without anything too good besides 4 happy computers it was, I think. Another one. It's gonna at least get a mythical. At least like the M6 prototype instead of the M2. Because last time I got the M2, it was a golden 2. I was opening a golden egg. I was around like 100 million though. And I got that after like the first 15. Okay, so I'm actually thinking of like a different time when I wasn't recording. When it has this golden mythical right here. Here's the M2. Pretty good. 528 million. For some reason I'm thinking that I was recording at the time. And then remember that I forgot I wasn't recording. Yeah, I have not gotten anything good yet. I'm gonna just have to move on to the normal ones now. I'm getting nothing good. Now I'm open 2 more 3s for the golden. Alright, last ones. Yeah, I got all basics. Time for the normal eggs. Nothing good so far. Hopefully I do get something good. Okay, I got nothing good. So I'm just gonna do my last couple opens on this golden egg. Just hope I get something good. And I didn't. Okay. Now, I'm probably gonna keep the recording until I'm done making the golds and rainbows. So I'm gonna be right back. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. And I just finished making all the rainbows and stuff. And I got 2 more, rainbow techno gas, but I put them all by themselves inside of the, tech machine to make all the pets dark matter and stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 now. At least I'm gonna have 5 dark matter soon. Like once 5 days come. So yeah, that's basically gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys all had a good day.